Hello guys, welcome and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so I'm excited. All right, today, so I'm gonna be it's just to remind you that we have a very important seminar. I've been talking about the seminar, your post jam, how to maximize. Look at the flyer here. How to maximize your admission chances. Okay, please, students have been asking me, okay, we have done our job, we got 200, and or what next? What can I do? Several questions. Ma has change of institution, university started. Ma has WAEC upload started. All those questions. Please come. Please come for the seminar. All right. The seminar was supposed to happen today, but because of the WAEC exams, I know some students wrote JAMB, which also wrote, they are also writing WAEC. So because of them, it was supposed to be today by 5 p.m. They'll be tired. I didn't check my schedule well and the WAEC timetable, so it clashed. So it would be on Saturday. So prepare all your questions regarding the next step now after JAM. Prepare them on Saturday, early in the morning, not too early, 9 a.m. We are going to kickstart. Okay? And it's going to be on Google Meet. You're asking how to register, just join the Telegram group. Okay? You will see in the banner here the Telegram group. Look at the Telegram group. Just type in bit B-I, let me spell it. Let me quickly spell that. BIT dot ly/ then everything in capital letters DTW telegram group. Okay, all in capital letters, and it will take you directly to the group. Just join the group. That is why I'm going to be sharing the Google Meet link. Okay, so we're going to meet all your questions regarding, oh, my post UME, how do I, is my school doing post UME, what is my cutoff mark, how to get all those informations. I am going to give them, because it's like on all my channel there's like if questions overload, information overload, asking questions, so I'm answering everyone in this video. Okay, so if you have that particular question, please do make sure you join. All right, do make sure you join this seminar. You want to know how to assess your JAM caps. You want to know the university that accepts low cutoff mark. All those information, please, I beg you, join this seminar and invite others. Invite others. All the questions that you want to ask. What's next? How do you follow up? How do you register for a post UME? How some people just there are some people that just think that after JAM score, they'll just wait and be waiting for their porter and be waiting for their school. No, okay, that's your school. You have to register again on the school website. So these are the informations you are going to learn. Okay, don't just seek information, find it. All right, and this is one way to find the information that is needed for your next step post JAM. Maximizing your admission chances, knowing which school to pick, knowing the differences between university, polytechnic, even state university, federal university, their school fees, their costs. Are you with me? I've seen someone scored very high. She filled in and this is a course that if you put in a federal university, you will get admission. But she filled in a state university, and state university are almost as expensive as private university. Oh, but know that. Let me share one experience. I attended a state university. School fees was increased from 25,000 to 250,000. They can do it if, like you students strike, you're on your own. It's state university. You're on your own. They are not controlled by federal. Federal, they can't just increase the school fees like that. It has to come from the government itself. But state university is from the state. So even you, if you students strike 12 months, you stay at home. That same school fees, we still pay that same school fees. Can you imagine 1,000% increment? So you should know all these differences. So if you have a high score, you can go to a federal university which is cheaper because it's being subsidized by the federal government. Okay, so all these key tips, all right, you feel the course, how to pick a university that will favor your score, your cutoff mark. Please, I beg you, just come. All your questions, all your questions will be answered in this seminar. So please come and please share this video. Invite everyone to join the Telegram group. Just join the Telegram group and every information will be passed out there. We're going to meet on Google Zoom live, Google Meet live. You ask your question, everyone. Another day, I'm ready for you. Questions. We have two invited guests that are in school, in Uyo, in UI, how they process their admission. Okay, it doesn't just stop with your JAMB. They're going to tell you things that you have to follow up with. They are screening everything. These are people that have experiences, the modern current experience. Me, I finished school like 20 years ago. Yes, 20 years ago. So, then the process is different from now. All right. So they would speak to you. These are my students that's called 321 in JAM, 342 in JAM. Okay, that pass through DTW tutorials. They're going to be speaking to you. You ask them all your questions. All right. So please do make sure you join us. Thank you and see you soon. Yeah, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, the truth, and the life. I'm rushing. I don't want this video to be long. But Jesus, there's no rush for Jesus. Oh, Jesus is coming soon and He's calling. All right, you are destined to win in life and also in gaining admission into university this year. You are destined to win. Okay, that's from DTW tutorials. Destined